Not all acts of kindness are loud. Some of them are quiet, but they can change lives forever. Here are 5 short stories that prove just that. One day, a little boy selling tissues walked past a luxurious car and offered the owner a pack of tissues. The man bought all the tissues the boy had and gave him $10. The boy was overjoyed, thanked the man, and went to a nearby shoe store. He looked at the fancy shoes with great longing, as he was wearing old shoes that he hadn't changed in years. He wanted to buy a new pair, but the prices were very high, starting at $60, and he only had $10. Meanwhile, the wealthy man who had given him the $10 noticed him. He got out of his car and went into the shoe store. A short while later, he came out smiling and got back into his car. After a little while, the store owner came out, opened the glass door, and put up a sign that read, "90% discount on any pair of shoes." The boy felt overwhelming happiness when he saw the discount and hurried inside to buy new shoes before the offer ended. He chose a pair of brown shoes that had been priced at $80 before the discount. He paid $8 for them and left feeling a joy he had never felt before. After the boy walked away from the store, the owner took down the 90% discount sign and returned the prices to normal. Imagine what made the store owner lower the prices like that. But sometimes, kindness doesn't just create a moment of happiness, it can change someone's entire life. In a restaurant in Texas, something unexpected happened. There was a humble waitress named Maria who worked there. One day, a poor man entered the restaurant. His shabby and unkempt appearance made some customers feel uncomfortable. They began whispering among themselves in displeasure at his presence. However, Maria didn't act like the others. She welcomed the man with a gentle smile, as if he were a regular customer, and said to him, "My name is Maria. If you need anything, I am here to serve you." The man felt overwhelming happiness because of Maria's kind and humane treatment. He thanked her from the bottom of his heart for the kindness he had not expected. The restaurant manager warned Maria and said to her, "If the man doesn't pay for his meal, the cost will be deducted from your salary." Maria agreed and served him the best food in the restaurant, along with a cup of coffee, saying, "Don't worry about the cost of the meal. It is a gift from the restaurant on the occasion of its 10th anniversary." After he finished his meal, he thanked Maria again and left with a smile. When she went to clean the table, she found a message left by the man. It read, "Dear Maria, thank you so much for your kind treatment. I am the owner of the restaurant. I was disguised as a beggar to see how employees treat poor customers. Thanks to your kindness and dedication, I am pleased to promote you to a managerial position. You will be the new manager of all the restaurant's employees. Congratulations on your new position." She didn't treat him like a poor man. She treated him like a human being. But not all kindness comes with big actions. Sometimes it's just a few simple words. There was a very thin girl sitting on the beach, and people were looking at her mockingly because of her extreme thinness. However, she didn't care about their looks and tried to enjoy the beauty of the sea. While she was relaxing by the shore, her friend came and sat next to her, smiling, and said, "You look amazing. I really admire your confidence." The girl was surprised, but in that moment, she felt a deep sense of happiness because of those sincere and kind words. Sometimes, a simple compliment can touch a person's heart in ways we don't realize. People may forget many things, but they never forget a kind word that made them feel seen, valued, and appreciated. And sometimes, kindness isn't about words at all. It's about choosing a smarter way instead of conflict. A sheep breeder was facing a serious problem. His neighbor's dogs kept chasing and killing his sheep, and this went on for a long time. Eventually, he decided to take action. But what would he do? He could have filed a lawsuit. He even had the right to kill the dogs if they trespassed on his land. He could have built a higher fence between himself and his neighbor. But he chose none of these options. Instead, he came up with a different idea. He gave a lamb to each of his neighbor's children. Soon, each child had a small flock of sheep of their own. From that moment on, everything changed. The children began tying up their dogs to protect their own sheep. They played with them every day, and without any conflict, the problem was completely solved. Sometimes, the smartest solutions are not built on force, but on understanding and kindness. But the most powerful kind of kindness is the one that protects someone's dignity. In a small fruit shop, a man walked in and asked the shopkeeper about the price of strawberries. The shopkeeper replied, "A kilogram of strawberries is 12 Egyptian pounds." Shortly after, a woman entered the shop and asked about the prices. This time, the shopkeeper said, "Strawberries are 3 pounds per kilogram and bananas are 2 pounds. The man noticed the difference and became upset. He was about to confront the shopkeeper, but the shopkeeper gently asked him to wait for a moment. The woman bought some strawberries and bananas, smiled warmly, and left, clearly happy to bring something home for her children. After she left, the shopkeeper turned to the man and said, "I am not deceiving you, sir. The prices I told you are the real market prices. You can check anywhere." He paused, then continued softly, "But that woman lost her husband not long ago. She has 4 young children, and she struggles to support them. She refuses to accept charity because she values her dignity. So I lower the prices for her, not to give her charity, but to let her buy what she needs without feeling embarrassed." The man stood silent, his anger slowly fading. The shopkeeper added with a gentle smile, "And strangely, on the days she comes, I make more profit than on the days she doesn't." The man looked at him with respect and said, "May you be blessed for what you do." Sometimes, the most beautiful form of kindness is the one that protects a person's dignity. Because true generosity is not just about giving, it's about understanding how to give.